Bela and for World. Today, me and my brother Neil are going to be opening these Kids Workshops Home Depot kits. Before the video starts, I just want to say thank you to Home Depot Brampton South for giving us these kits. If you want one of these kits, you can go to any of your Home Depots near you, or you can come to this Home Depot and get one yourself. So we're going to get on to the video. Okay, Neil, you can cut that one. I'll cut this one. I'll keep this one here. We're going to open that one. Here, just rip it open. Ow, poke me! Also, kids, you might want to have a grown-up nearby to help you with this. My dad is nearby, also my mom too, so we don't really need any grown-up nearby anymore. So, it'll fall on top of my head, I think. We got two of these. Yeah, that's probably for the back. Look. This is look! We got stickers! Stickers! Yeah, we got two Home Depots. There's a certificate. This one's gonna go to Neil. It has an English side and a French side because these are the two main languages in Canada. There's this badge, and then there is also going to Neil because I have one right here next to me. And some nails. Yeah, the nails are meant for that. So let's get them. And stickers. Yeah, I wasn't expecting the stickers to come. And these blue thingies. Yeah, the blue things are meant for the back, I guess. Also need a fine sandpaper, wood glue hammer, and 2 Phillips screwdrivers. We need Phillips screwdrivers. Oh. I'll just get the Phillips screwdrivers. Label. So we found the pieces. We got the screwdrivers, and we're gonna get starting with the hammering. We read the instructions. It said step 1: labeled side pieces flat with the nail hole facing up. Start 8 long nails. Facing up is either way, I guess, because they both have holes. So I'm gonna find my cut I made. My back hurts. I see the long nails. Just open it already. Yeah, I'm opening it now. Be patient. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna lay the nails on the 8 long nails. Okay, so long nails. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, they're not all the same size. Yes, they are. Okay, the rest of the nails you're gonna keep here because I don't want to poke myself. So I'm gonna give this to Neil. And let me hammer it. Wait. Don't bang my finger. Neil, don't bang my finger! Sorry. Let me hammer. Yeah, I'm just making it straight and holding it. That's it, Neil. Don't hammer it down because we want to put somewhere.
It shouldn't go to the other side. Just hammer it till it goes in.
Yeah, that's good. That's good, Neil. But then it needs to be sorted. No, it doesn't. It needs to be at the same distance. No, it doesn't. Go. Wait, let me make it straight. Wait, let me just get that up there. Make it straight. And now you go.
Gentle.
Neil!
Gentle.
Ow! Sorry! My finger!
That goes cut now.
Yeah, that part got cut. Go.
But
more. That.
gentle.
Just that.
Do gentle.
Gentle,
Neil.
Neil. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm putting on the gloves. I don't want Neil to bang my finger. No, I made a wrong mistake without putting on gloves. Bad mistake. Bad mistake. Neil, no. Wait, let me make it straight. No. Hammering is so fun. It is. You bit my finger. You're cutting that out. Wait. only bank other people's winners, okay? Okay, our parents helped us with hammering the bottom a bit, so because it would like keep on moving and coming out. So we're gonna do 2 each now instead of a side each. You can just bang it, Not that hard. Let's give. Not that hard. I'm gonna start doing this side. Also, kids, don't use this type of hammer if you're a kid. At home, we can find the other version of this hammer a bit bigger for me. So I'm using a grown-up one. So we took a little break off recording and we got this done so far. Neil, you hammered these. Now hammer these, okay? We already did. You hammer these 2 and these 2. I'll hammer these 2 and these 2. Okay? Just tap, remember. Neil, back. I'm holding you. You do up and down. A bit harder. Yeah. Not falling down.
I give it more strength. Hit it hard. Oh.
That's enough. Go. Let me make them down here.
Try to put it straight in, okay?
Good job.
Very good.
So we took a bit of a break off camera and we asked our parents to help us with the top bit because it was really hard because we needed to put in some plastic glass. No, real glass. No, it's plastic glass. It said in the instructions, They also helped us with hammering it because we don't want to break the glass, plastic, whatever it is. So, and the blue things were like the plastic. So this is the final product. We're gonna be painting it now because we can. They said if you want to, you can, but just make sure you only paint the sides and the top bit and not like try to not get it on the thing. So and before you add the stickers, you need to wait till the paint dries if you're gonna add the stickers and put paint. So we're gonna pause the video and after we're done painting it and it's fully dried, we'll show you it and then we're gonna add the stickers. So this is how it looks painted. We used blue for the sides and this part here, and we used orange for the top. We didn't paint the bottom because no one really looks at the back nor the inside because there's gonna be a picture inside. This is with the thing outside, and this is, let me just, so we closed it, and now we're gonna put on stickers. You can put this like in the back or somewhere. I'll keep it right here. What about if you keep it here and here? Let's keep it here so then they know. This is how it looks like closed. We also put a sticker already, but we're gonna put on the rest now. You don't have to put in the stickers if it's on the stickers if you don't want to. If it comes with the stickers, that is. Sometimes, usually they don't come with stickers. This is our first time getting stickers, I think. And the other one it should have stickers. I'm doing this one. I love you. Right here. Is this too okay? Yep. Use straight and perfect. Your turn. In bed. Reminds me of a YouTuber called Pets Me. Bet mine. Should I do right here? Yeah, sure. You can actually stick it next to the thing if you want. Let's do like this. Which one? You choose. No, you. Okay, now we're gonna put one here, and one. Wait, which one? Your turn. No, I already chose. Smile. No, put it here. Oh. I'm gonna put best day here. Let me just reposition these. Also, please don't reposition these if you already stuck them, if you have this, because it actually might get the painting off. And now where are we going to put Europe? I know. Let me. Fine. Let's put it here next to this. Yeah. Like this? Yeah. And this is our finished product.
Bring it closer to the camera.
So there's these stickers here. There's this.
And what is Neil going to put
and
inside?
this. And Neil's gonna put inside a picture of him. And our hair. And my dog Bear. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to get one of these, you can go to any of your Home Depots near you, or you can go to Brampton South. Home Depot Brampton South.